As the representative body for the providers of housing-related support, homelessness and supported living services in Wales, Cymorth's vision is that all people in Wales are able to build happy, successful lives that maximise their independence within welcoming and supportive communities. Our key aim is to improve the lives of vulnerable people by working with providers, policymakers, partner organisations and the public to provide an environment in which high-quality services can be delivered. Our work falls into three broad areas: policy and information services, workforce and organisational support, and awareness-raising activities. We make an active contribution to policy development within Wales and the UK, and also ensure our members are fully engaged and informed in the process. More recently, amongst other issues, our work in this area has involved responding to the Welsh Government commissioned review of housing-related support and the welfare reform agenda, particularly in relation to changes in housing, employment and disability benefits. Another strand of Cymorth's work focuses on the development of our members' organisational and staff capacity to deliver the best possible services to vulnerable people. We achieve this through two areas of activity, which are our conference events and training programme. Our annual key event is our national conference. In 2011, the theme was Power to the People, delivered in partnership with Public Health Wales. The conference explored how in the current climate we can work together, empower our staff and ensure that the people needing and using services are at the centre of their design and delivery. As well as our conference, we also hold a series of one-day events, which recently have explored the following issues: how to tackle worklessness through innovative projects and social enterprise, learn from innovation in England, where direct payments have been used to set up mutual models of care for older people, and the opportunity to share issues and the best practice in provision of extra care. We've also developed an approach to training which is based on collaboration and sharing of a wide range of expertise across the membership. To date, it's proved to be very successful, and we continue to broaden the range of learning opportunities available to our members and other professionals. The third and possibly most important strand of our work involves raising awareness with the public, partner sectors and policymakers of the needs of the vulnerable people our members support. It's only with the support and understanding of our stakeholders that we can maximise the contribution our members make in helping vulnerable people have the lives they aspire to. Over recent years, we've sought to raise the profile of two particular awareness-raising events. The Promoting Independence Award celebrates the innovation and commitment demonstrated by the people and organisations helping vulnerable people in Wales overcome their personal challenges and situations and improve their quality of life. Developed in collaboration with Welsh local authorities, we're able to offer tickets at very low cost, and as a result, many frontline workers and people using services attend the ceremony. The main focus of Life Begins at Home Week is an art exhibition at the Wales Millennium Centre, where the public can view and vote on artwork submitted by individuals accessing our members' services. The stories that accompany the art help to explain to the general public what kinds of challenges people face that can lead them to lose their homes or independence, and the information provided by member organisations help to illustrate the services that are available to help. 2011 also saw the emergence of two further events. We invited MPs, AMs and local councillors to afternoon tea with the people throughout Wales using our members' services. Our objective was to give individuals who don't often engage with their political representatives the opportunity to raise issues of importance to them. Similarly, we wanted to offer elected representatives the chance to hear from constituents who might not have the same views as others, but are hard to reach. On the morning of the debate at the Welsh Assembly on the budget for the forthcoming year, we held a vigil to show our support for members and ministers who wanted to ensure that vulnerable people didn't bear the brunt of the public spending cuts. We invited members and people using their services to join us outside the Senedd. In looking to the future, our key objective is to make sure we continue to serve our members and the people using their services in the best way possible.